Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, and you are relaxed. Make your body still, and you are in this present moment. The only movement in your body that is calling your attention is your breath. So take another deep breath in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth slowly, and you are one more level relaxed. And as you take this breath in, and this time when you exhale, your body is completely relaxed. Become aware of the sounds around you and let them be there. Become aware of the temperature around you and let them be there. Become aware of your body, any pain, any discomfort, any feeling that is showing up. Acknowledge it. Don't judge it. And just let it be there. If you feel the need, you can just take a deep breath in and release what you just acknowledged in your body. Affirm, I am becoming calmer. I am ready to receive the white light. Keep your hand on your heart and affirm, I invoke the light of God in me. I'm clear and a perfect channel. Light is my guide. I invoke the light of God within me. I'm clear and a perfect channel. Light is my guide. I invoke the light of God within me. I'm pure and a perfect channel. Light is my guide. Hands on the laps and visualize the brightest white light coming from the farthest sky, up above the heavens, coming and falling on your head. As if you are a hollow container, and this liquid diamond-like light is entering into your body, filling up every space, hollow spaces, filled spaces, organs, spaces between the cells. This light is going into your body. Your face, your neck, your shoulders, going down into your spine, your chest, your stomach, abdomen, into the legs, thighs, knees, calf muscles, feet, your arms, hands, fingertips. Just take some breaths as if you're absorbing it in. Absorb this light into every cell. Absorb this light into every organ. And you are becoming a body of white light. Visualize yourself as a body of white light. Let that light falling on you from the up above is coming in abundance. It's overflowing around you. You are now radiating the white light as if you are a bulb of white light and radiating that light outwards. Visualize your radiations at least to 10 feet of distance. You are radiating this white light vibration like a bulb. Just hold this point as the cleaning, the healing, everything that is necessary for you is happening in the moment. Just be with your breath and let the white light do its magic. Direct the white light if there is any particular pain or discomfort in the body. Visualize this white light swirling, cleaning and healing that specific region more. Affirm, all my energy bodies are getting cleaned and healed. Take a deep breath in. Pay gratitude to the white light, to the cosmos, any other gratitude that you want to practice in this moment. Pay gratitude to your body. As and when you feel whole and complete, uncomfortable, you can rub your palms. That energy all over your face, all over your body. Open your eyes and type in one word how you're feeling. Happy healing.